So, day 2 in Perth. Guys, good morning guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, yesterday hindi tayo nakapag-vlog na maayos. So, sobrang pagod. Konting pahinga. Tapos, nag-prepare para kay Mother Earth birthday. So, as in, wala talaga tayong maayos na vlog. So, for today's video, nakapag-ready na. So, mag-breakfast kami. Ayan ang ating toilet. Simple lang kinuha nating room. Pagtulugan lang talaga. So, pag marami na tayong budget, magkukuha tayo ng room with the, ano tawag doon? With the swimming pool. So, nag-dress tayo for today's video. Baka tayo makarampa sa casino. Ayan. So, iikutin natin ang city ng Perth. Nakita ko yung isang friend natin nandito rin sa Perth. Ang ganda, ang dami niyang pictures. So, tingnan natin. So, ito lang. Ganito lang, napakasimple lang ang ating So, now, palabas kami dahil magbe-breakfast kami ni Anoy. So, see you later! Ito. Nakubo ang ating dress. So, day 2, magbe-breakfast kami. Yan natin masarap yung breakfast nila. Number 55 kami. Simple lang. So, natin ang ating crocs. Gusto ko sana mag-crocs kaya naman mapunta kami sa casino. So, kailangan magsuot tayo ng magandang
You are wearing Crocs.
sandals. I mean, later. Automatic ang ating door. See? Han, kuhaan mo nga muna picture dito. Han, ngayon na, para fresh pa ako. Ito, ano ko. Ito, camera ko.
Hurry up.
Yan na, ganyan na.
Dali mo na.
Ay, ang daming sinasabi sa buhay. Kita ka na. Kita ka rin. Ano naman?
Meron tayo sa gano. Yep, let's go.
Picture hand.
Ground floor.
Ground
Going
floor.
up.
Going up. Hi, good morning. How much are these?
So we have
18?
breakfast. One is 18 with the full breakfast. The other one is 10 without this.
What do you want?
So, can I get the 118 and 110?
You need to pay at the reception and get the token from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. We avail breakfast?
Yes.
Yeah.
55.
Yeah, 18 per person and 110.
One great sunrise and continental.
$8 for that one. Okay.
I got my card here.
Thank you. There's the batteries.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yung pancake, makuha yung pancake.
You want pancake?
Where's the pen? Yeah.
Oh, there's the pancake. So how do we do the pancake? Okay.
Is that included in the drinks for the voucher? Is that included?
Yeah, so everything is included for both vouchers except for this, not the hot dog. So
Okay.
you can send your
Yeah, thank you. So what included for $10? I have
So you can have cereal, you can have fruits, toast,
And pancake.
juice, and coffee.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry? Yeah.
We make pancake. Press okay.
Where do you want to see?
Ano yun? Tagal na.
You press okay. What drink do you want?
Ano to? Water?
Water, apple juice, orange juice.
Apple juice?
You want apple
Ay,
juice?
ina pala. Ay, iba. Okay, meron tayong pancake. Ay, hirap naman mag-vlog.
What's I mean, pag gusto mong toast?
Huh?
You want toast? Can you give us the theory?
Later.
Yeah.
So, ito na yung breakfast namin. $10. $18. Hindi ko alam na yung $18 included na everything. Pwede pala one person. Then next time, one person na lang. Tapos, kakain tayo. Meron tayong beans, pancake, yung yogurt na padami yung ano ko. Lagay ko. Kaya kailangan natin busin ito. Kain.
time, order nyo, tanongin natin, pwede bang mag-avail ng 1 person pero
Pwede naman eh.
walang kain 2 person?
Pwede yun.
Kaya naman ang kaya.
Hello guys! So today's video, nandito kami sa city na kami ng Perth. Yan. Okay din, para din sa katulad sa Adelaide yan. Oo. May Uniqlo, Super Dry Store. Yan ang na Adelaide, yung meron. Para natin ng pictures. Para pang
Ito yung pinakamalapit na Starbucks.
dito. Oh, meron nga
Anim nga eh.
Cold is going, warm is on the way.
I'll be back quick for you.
Oo nga, pang
Go. You take a vacation.
walk tayo dyan. Wow. Kaya natin picture para ano. Hindi ba pinagkiruhan ako sa picture? Pero madilim eh. Maliwanag? Ayan. Parang feeling sexy. Maliwanag, madilim.
Sa araw ko eh, di mo liwanag.
Oo nga. Ayos.
Share naman.
Wala kita. Let's go, pasok tayo guys. Sa Melbourne, no? Malaki. Diba?
Kasi hindi kami sa probinsya kayo lahat.
Yabang.
Nag-vlog ka? Nag-vlog siya ka.
Oo. Welcome to my vlog. Thank you guys for the treat. O diba, ang dami namin magkain. Hindi yung gutom. Guys, chicken. Everything, corn, kimchi.
Ako mo ang sagot.
Kutsara?
Kapag lagay mo rito, ano? So, wala mo